Hello all. Now I will be discussing solving the transportation problem using northwest corner rule. So we have demand as well as supply, and it is a 3/4 matrix form. Before starting, first we have to check whether the given problem is balanced or unbalanced. If it is unbalanced, we have to create a dummy row or dummy column to make it equal. So here, the supply side, the summation of the supply is 43 and the summation of the demand is also 43. And we are solving based on the northwest corner rule method. So to solve in this method, first we have to identify the least cell or the cell the northwest. So this is the north and this is the west. See here, the allocation is 6. This is the northwest cell, and here the allocation is 6, and here the allocation is supply side is 11. So here what I will do is I will allocate the 6 here, and this entire row will be this particular column will be deleted. Why? Because here this particular column becomes 0. 11 minus 6 will be 5. Still 5 is there, so this one will be deleted. Now here northwest, again, as this particular column is deleted, and here we have the second column, and first row, second row, third row we have, and this becomes now the northwest corner. So as this becomes the northwest corner, the minimum allocation is available here 5. So I will be allocating the 5 here, and this becomes 0, and here you will be having 5 balance. That means this row can be deleted because now here the allocation made completely. So we have made complete allocation, so this becomes deleted. Now the active cells will be 18, 14, 23, 27, 18 and 21. That means this particular matrix. Again here the northwest. So if we observe here, this will be the northwest corner. So here we are allocating, minimum is 5, maximum is 13. So minimum 5 I am allocating. This becomes 0 and this entire column will be deleted. And 13 minus 5 will be 8. So this column, now this row is not deleted, it will be there. So next, northwest, as this column is deleted, this particular column is deleted, now 14, 23, 18, 21 will be available for the allocation. So minimum allocation is 8, so here I will be allocating 8, and this gets cancelled. 12 minus 8 will be 4. This becomes deleted as already allocation is 0, so this will be deleted, and the balance, whatever the balance are there, that will be allocated to this, and here one cell will be left, and I am allocating this one with 15. This becomes 0, this becomes 0, and this becomes now 0. 15 plus 4, 90. So now we have to find out the initial basic feasible solution. So we have to multiply wherever the allocations are there. So 21 into 6 plus 16 into 5 plus 18 into 5 plus 14 into 8 plus 18 into 4 plus 21 into 15. 21 into 6 will be 126, 16 into 5 will be 80, 18 into 5 will be 90, so 14 into 8, 72, and 18 into 4, 18 into 4 will be 72, 18 into 4, 14 into 8, okay, 14 into 8 will be 112, 18 into 4 will be 72 plus 4, 5, 6. So total 6 allocations. So summation of the. So this is the total cost, we can say, using the northwest corner rule method will be 795. Thank you.